this demo we are looking at a very stylish but affordable multi-effects pedal. Introducing the Triple Threat from Donner and Third Man Hardware. The Triple Threat is a collab between Donner and Jack White's Third Man Hardware, if you hadn't already guessed, given the colour scheme, and you get 3 effects with it. You get Distortion, Phaser and Echo, or Delay. The branding, as ever, is absolutely awesome. I mean, check out the box, it's got like a magnetic clip on it. And you get your little power supply with it. Check it out. And I think he had a part in voicing some of the effects as well. So let's check out some tones. Clean tone. This is just going into the front of my amp. Incidentally, this is the Donner DST-152, which is an excellent proposition for beginners. It's got really nicely finished fretwork. Seems to hold tune pretty well. I think it's got a great look. I mean, I love the HSS, which is humbucker single coil configuration. If you're not aware of what that is, you get a humbucker in the bridge, which is really good for bitey sort of stuff, rhythm stuff. But then you also have a 5-way switch, which means you can get those kind of Stratocaster tones as well, really. The important ones, you know, using these two. All the details in the description below. So let's crack on with the distortion, shall we? In the beginning, I was playing Black Math by the White Stripes. Got to do some White Stripes, right? So you get a nice bit of break up there, you know. With it in the middle. Loads going on, right? So there's quite a lot of gain on tap. And if I turn it up to about 3 o'clock, great for lead stuff. It gets into that kind of rap territory, right? Great for Foo Fighters stuff, early Foo Fighters especially. Tone control's cool too, you get quite a wide range, let me sweep through it. That's at 0, halfway, up full. But both in the middle sound great for me. Now, the phaser, let's put up the rate and the depth. You've also got a level control, which is super handy because sometimes phasers may give you an unexpected boost of volume or a drop in volume. And this one means that you can tweak it so you can get the loudness of the phaser either to match your other, you know, tones, or you can have it as a sort of boost so it'll get a bit louder. So if you're using it in solos and things. But I mean, that is getting into Leslie sort of territory, that kind of... Black Hole Sun, right? Let's put it back in the middle. And that's just lovely, isn't it? Lovely, right? About the strummy bit. It'll also do that Smashing Pumpkins rhinoceros thing. And then with these settings, you get that kind of washy thing as well, right? So I've got the rate low, but the depth quite high. But if we add some distortion, it really brings it out. great fun too. Let's move over to some echo or delay. Now with the feedback and time both at 0, you get a lovely sort of slap back, which is a really super quick delay. You get that going on, right? Which is a very Them Crooked Vultures, Josh Homme thing to do. And with a bit of distortion as well. If we move it into the middle, loads more repeats, right? That's what the feedback is, the number of repeats. If you turn the feedback up even more, you get that self-oscillation thing going on, so it can totally get crazy. One of my favourite though, Aurora. And then if we add the distortion as well with these settings, and if you take the delay off, with the delay time maxed. And then if you add some distortion as well, we've got a nice solo tone. I'm going to add the phaser as well, and I will play you out with some noodling. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you again soon.